Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Taste. Today I am going to show you a Latin American kind of delicacy, that is the empanadas. I am going to prepare the corn and bean empanadas. So let us get started. These look wonderful. For that we will require 2 cups plain flour, 2 cups wheat flour, salt, clarified butter, oil, turmeric powder and water. First we'll add salt to taste, 2 spoons of clarified butter, about 3 spoons of oil, half a spoon of turmeric powder, and I will knead this all properly till you get a crumb-like consistency. Add the water to it and knead a firm dough. Keep it aside. For the stuffing we'll require rajma beans, corn, oil, tomato ketchup, lime juice, salt, onion, green chilies, capsicum, crushed ginger garlic, turmeric powder, red chili powder, some mixed herbs and cumin powder. In a vessel we'll first heat the oil. After it's heated, we will add the ginger garlic and saute it well. Then we will add the onions and the green chilies. We'll mix them well. We'll add some salt to it so that our onion cooks faster. Now we will add the capsicum. Then we'll add the turmeric powder, the mixed herbs, the red chili powder and the cumin powder, that is the jeera powder, and we will mix everything well. We will add our rajma beans and the corn and give it a good mix. We will add salt according to taste and the lime juice as required. About 2 spoons of tomato ketchup will be added and we will mix all this properly. Our mixture is ready for the stuffing. Now we will knead the dough and make small ball out of it and roll it, and we will put the stuffing inside. And give the shape of the empanadas. We will seal the edges with the help of a fork. I will show you one more with a different way of sealing. We'll put the mixture in the rolled chapati and press it properly on all the sides. We will press and turn the edges and form a design like this. I have made a thus such. Now I will brush some oil on the empanadas and put it for baking at about 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. I have fried some of them. These are the fried and the baked empanadas both. I will garnish it with some shredded cheese. This is the baked one. You can see how wonderful it looks. Our empanadas taste really delicious, as they look very delicious too. I hope you all like the recipe of the empanadas. You can use your own stuffing also for the empanadas.